So today I attended a session. A question was asked there to make a hole in a A4 size paper so that that hole can pass through your body. It might seem impossible as you might think, but it's quite possible. Go on, pause for a moment and try it for yourself. I guess you have tried. So the answer to this question is this. You fold a paper like this neatly so that it makes a rectangle. Like this, right? You fold it from the middle. Okay. Now take a pair of scissors and cut around 1 inch from the folded side like this, all the way to the end of the paper by leaving some gaps in between. Make this a quite bit longer. Remember, the paper should not break. It should be a hole. So when you pass your body through that paper, the paper should not tear off. Now hold the open side right here. The open side, hold it like this and cut through it as from the middle of the small rectangle pieces right here. 1 inch, not to the end. Remember, you should not cut the first one and the last one, the pieces, right? Don't cut it for the first one and the last one. You just leave it there. Now what you have to do, leave the first one right here, and from the second one you cut the fold using the scissors right here. You leave the first one also. You leave the first one. From second you start cutting the folded parts. So it will start to look like this. A hole. Ow. Here is the hole. Here is my brother, and the hole we made out of the single A4 size sheet is here. Now my brother will show that he is able to pass through the hole without breaking the paper. And the paper hasn't broken yet. This is the simple technique. I hope you like it.